Hey there! Today we are showing a new feature that we implemented that limits the usage of your events on multiple tabs and multiple devices. So here I have two pages for this event, so I'm going to connect on this one and I'm inside the event. Now if I try to enter on another session, either tab, device or browser, you can see that it looks like that this account is already open on another tab. So you cannot enter into to the same event on two different places at the same time. However, you can force the other one to disconnect. So if you click open event in the browser, the other one disconnects and this one can connect. So you can see that you can force other sessions to go out and enter this one. This is really interesting because this avoids, for example, showing twice on the same call if you forget one tab open, and then we make sure that we are always talking with the correct person and tab and that has the correct session open. So as always, looking forward to your feedback and let us know how we can improve your events more. Thank you.